Hi, my name is Bob Aho. I'm with Bracketron, and we have a in-wall motorized iPad docking station. This is our newest product, and this is a key fob. Basically, you take the key, you swipe it across, the dock opens. So what this dock does, it's a motorized charging unit. You pull it out, there's two motors in it, it opens. And when it closes, if you notice right here, the 30-pin connector comes out. It's good for commercial use, hotels, boardrooms, hospitals, restaurants, you name it, any place you want to secure your iPad. Over here, we have another secured version. This is a touch code unit. You touch the unit, the lights up, you enter a 4-digit code, hit the enter button. Once again, the iPad opens up. Press the button and it closes. And then over here we have a proximity sensor. This is more or less used for in-home applications. Just cover your thumb with the touch code and it opens up. So it's a perfect application for home automation where you're running your home audio, video, security system, lighting, and the other two secured versions is better off for commercial use.